Truth be told, beauty is not in the eye of the beholder, or in the hair, or the cheekbones, or the makeup, jewelry, or fashion. Beauty, true beauty, is found in the heart. It's a feeling, a sense of inner satisfaction, and it's there in beauty's translation from inside to out that Restylane feels so right. For true beauty lies within us all. Sometimes it just needs a little help to the surface. Restylane is the #1 selling dermal filler in the world and has been used in over 1.4 million treatments in the U.S. alone. It is the world's most studied cosmetic dermal filler. The Restylane family of products includes Restylane and Perlane. Both are cosmetic dermal fillers that replace lost volume and restore youthful contours to the skin to smooth away moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds, such as the lines from your nose to the corners of your mouth. These products are proven to deliver long-lasting results due to a patented stabilization technology. Restylane lasts about 6 months. Perlane lasts at least 6 months in a majority of patients. If you're considering facial wrinkle correction, there are a few things you should know about Restylane and Perlane.
I feel young inside, so I definitely didn't want to look old on the outside. And when I noticed the smile lines were getting deeper, especially after looking at a photograph, I realized then that, yeah, I don't want to feel old, so I'm not going to look it.
These products do not use animals as their source of hyaluronic acid. Instead, Restylane and Perlane use a biotechnical process of bacterial fermentation as their source of hyaluronic acid. This limits any risk of animal-based disease transmission or allergic reactions. Restylane and Perlane are biocompatible with the body's own natural hyaluronic acid, and no allergy testing is required.
The reactions that I've received since getting Restylane have been just wonderful from everyone. As a matter of fact, just last week I had a table full of girlfriends staring at me, and they finally said, "What did you get done?"
You don't have to choose between Restylane and Perlane. Both products were used safely in opposite sides of the face by the same patients during a clinical trial. They contain identical molecules made by the same biotechnical process and differ only in gel particle size. Perlane gel particles are larger and designed for deeper injection than Restylane. Your doctor will decide which product is right for you based on an evaluation of your facial wrinkles or folds. Botox Cosmetic, Restylane, and Perlane correct wrinkles in different ways. Instead of adding volume to the skin, Botox relaxes the muscles that cause frown lines between your eyebrows. Young skin is smooth and elastic and contains a lot of hyaluronic acid, which is found in all living organisms. Naturally occurring hyaluronic acid binds water to give volume to the skin, shape to the eyes, and a lubricant to joints. However, as the amount of hyaluronic acid decreases with age, less water is bound, and the less fluid in the skin, the less elasticity. In time, this may create wrinkles.
In business today, the competition is keen wherever you go, and looking younger helps. It might open a door that you might not otherwise get, so you can get an opportunity to get in there and show them what you're really worth.
I was treated for these lines alongside of my nose running out parallel to my cheeks here. And before I was treated, I had a lot deeper folds in this part of my mouth.
The lines that I had here on my face prior to Restylane were very deep, and I honestly didn't know what could be done about them. I hated the way they looked, and ever since I've had the treatment with the Restylane, you know, right over here on my face, they're gone. I look much younger. I feel much better.
Restylane and Perlane injections can be completed right in your doctor's office. Results are practically instantaneous. You can return to work and normal activities with little or no downtime.
The treatment only took about a half an hour, and I was in and out of there in a short period of time, and could have gone back to work, but I chose to go shopping.
There is no allergy testing required, so you may be treated right away after consulting with your doctor. If you are planning to attend a major event, such as a wedding or reunion, we suggest you have your treatment at least 10 days prior to the event. The week before your treatment, you may be asked to avoid certain products that promote swelling and bleeding, such as aspirin, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications, St. John's wort, or high doses of vitamin E supplements. Also, if you have previously suffered from facial cold sores, discuss this with your doctor, who may prescribe a medication to minimize recurrence. Follow your doctor's specific instructions.
My greatest concern before having any Restylane treatments was